Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking kind of crazy with just this wig cap on, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wig because I'm about to head out on the road to run some errands. This is kind of like a hair get ready with me because I've already done my makeup. It's very natural. Let me know if you want. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you genuinely want a natural makeup video like what I'm rocking here. I do have one, but I'm a bit hesitant to upload it because I know I've done so many natural makeup videos before, and I mean, if you really want to see a natural video, you could just watch one of those, but I don't know if you still want it. Comment it. If not, then I won't upload it. It's as simple as that. Just let me know, because every time I come on the camera with my face naturally beat, you guys are like, oh my gosh, let me see this, like how you did this, da, 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 da. So I don't know, like just let me know. So of course you guys know this wig is from rpghair.com. It's the pre-plucked wavy bob hairstyle Indian hair lace front wig, and the code is LFW23P. And if you notice, guys, at the end of all my codes on RPG here, it has P. That's because it's kind of like the customized code from my page. Yeah, I don't know if any of you guys noticed that, but it's at the end of all the codes of all the wigs I've ever worn from RPG here, if that makes sense. So yeah. So, and also only the wigs that are on my customized RPG hair page. And this is like shoulder length on me. It is 14 inches long. It's a natural color, texture is wavy, as I said before. It's 150% in density, so that's pretty good. I got a medium cap size. For most of my wigs, I get a medium cap size. It didn't come with any baby hairs. The lace color is medium, and this is definitely the improved lace. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this wig as realistic as possible. As you guys saw, I showed you it has combs and everything in there as usual to make the wig secure in your head. That's if you can't deal with going with applying any adhesive or doing any of that. You can just put the hair on, the wig on, and stick the combs in, and you're good to go. So, and it also has adjustable straps at the back like every other one of my RPG hair wigs. So I realized that this is a little bit small for my head, making me feel like my head is a bit big. But so I'd recommend, if you usually wear like a medium cap size, probably should get a large cap size, because yeah, this is feeling a little bit small for me. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. For today's application, I don't think I'm going to be doing any baby hairs. So I'm just gonna get my blow dryer. I mean, a bad man, they want to see. You can see I changed. So during that time I had this scarf tied down on the edges so that you could lay and be even more secure, because you know we want that very realistic look. That's what I always strive for with all my lace wigs anyway, you know, nothing new. And look at that parting. I haven't done anything to it as yet. Of course, you see this part is lighter because of the wig cap. So what I'm gonna do to fix that is get my face powder and just kind of balance out the tones right there. As I said, this is the side that it came with the part on. Of course, you can part it anywhere else you want to. I was going to do a center part, but I'm like, you know, now I've been doing center parts a lot since lately. So, and originally I'm the type of person that love my side parts. I'll take side parts over a center part any day. This hair feels so good. I almost don't even want to go ahead and do my wet look. Ooh. But okay, what I'd say is, if you don't want to have the wet look, that's totally fine. Go ahead and rock it as is. I really love the blunt cut, by the way. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but it's really nice with that. I'm gonna get my water and some mousse. So my water is in this spray bottle and my mousse is in this bottle. And I'm just going to wet this up.
like a man in his stand. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me and I got waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a canteen.
I know some of you will love the volume, and that's fine, but I really like it either way, and I don't mind if when it dries I'll keep on running my hand through it so it will get back some of that poofiness. That's pretty much it for the application of this wig. I really love it. I'm going to add all the specifications on this wig down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Also, the direct link will be there, so if you're interested in going ahead and purchasing this lovely wig, all of that will be down there as usual. Don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10 and get your dollars off. And I'll link my customized RPG hair page in the description box as well, so you guys can check that out. Yeah, but I don't think this is a very long get ready with me. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.